Hi dear Taurus, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading from 22nd of Feb till 28th of Feb. So it's a weekly reading. So we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy and we will see what will be the outcome till 28th of Feb, okay? So your partner's energy right now is the Queen of Cups energy. They are finally feeling the love that you always wanted to. Okay, so your partner is in love right now. They are nostalgic. They are feeling emotionally stable. They are in the zone of okay, now they feel like they are in love. Now they are fully aware that yes, they have feelings for you, they have emotions for you, and they now feel that yes, now I can say that I love Taurus, I love this person. Okay, your energy on the other hand is the Three of Swords. So you are coming out of a very ugly phase, I can say, very hurtful phase. Maybe you were not feeling the love that this person want to show you now. In the past you were not feeling that love. Finally they are feeling in love, and now you are maybe moving away, or you are now maybe healing from that past trauma or the trauma that this person gave you. Because what I feel is you were constantly giving them, and they are not giving you anything in return. So basically you were heartbroken, you were feeling very very sad, and now you are coming out of that sad phase, that heartbroken phase, and you are feeling okay, I don't know whatever is happening with that person now. I just want to move on with my life, and I want to explore my life, and I want to be happy. Okay, all you want is to be happy, Taurus. Okay, how your person sees you now. Your person sees you as the Ace of Swords energy is there. So your person sees you as a person who no longer can relate to toxic people or toxic circumstances or toxic environment or relationships. So they basically see you that somebody who is starting their life, and who is cutting out all the crap from their life, and they are starting afresh. So basically your partner is seeing you in this energy right now, that you are a person who can do anything, and who can cut anybody, cut the crap as soon as it goes on the nerves of the Taurus. Okay, so basically your person sees you in a different perspective now, different light now. They see you as that somebody that can start a life with or without somebody. Okay, and how you see your person right now is the Five of Pentacles energy. You feel like that your person is walking away from you, or maybe this person, or maybe you are feeling like they should walk away from you now, because you are healing now, because you are in the zone of okay, I don't need this person anymore, because I invested so much energy in this person. Now I want freedom from this person or this relationship, because this is no longer serving me. So basically you are feeling like you guys are moving away from each other. You are feeling that energetically you both are not on the same page. You are not communicating well with each other. So basically you feel like your person is walking away from you, and they are left abandoned, or they are left in the cold, or maybe you didn't give them the closure that was required. You just walked away and you just started your healing work. So basically you feel the energy of walking away, like they walking away from you. You can feel that energy, right? So what they want from this relationship, what they feel about this relationship right now, this is the Judgment card. So they are judging every past deed that they did with you, every past action. They are judging everything that they did. They are judging everything that you did. So this is basically a reconciliation card as well, because the Judgment also tells me that there is some kind of unfinished business between you guys, and this energy is telling me that they feel an urge to talk to you. They feel an urge to convey their messages to you, to communicate really honestly and openly with you now, and they want a reconciliation. They feel like they should reconcile with you and tell you that exactly what they want from this relationship, because now they are in love with you. Okay, what you feel in this relationship now, about this relationship now, is the Six of Wands. You are feeling victorious, you are feeling happy in your own life. Maybe you are gaining the courage, gaining the energy, gaining the victorious feel of yes, I can manage my life, Taurus. Because Taurus are very stubborn people. If they made their mind for something, they will stick to that, and they will do it no matter how hard it is. So basically you are feeling victorious, you are feeling happy in your own world. You are happy now, and you are feeling like okay, I am celebrating life. I will see whatever is coming in my way, and I am not going to sabotage myself, and I am not going to feel lonely or depressed or heartbroken just because somebody is not responding to my feelings or my emotions, okay, anymore. What they want from this relationship is the Sun card. This is the happiest card in the deck. They want this relationship to work out. They want the happiness. They see you as a very happy go lucky person. They see you as a very cute person, so they want this happiness from you. They want this happiness that was there, present before. So they want that happiness back with you. They want this relationship to be very very happy go lucky type of, and they want to roam around with you. They want to spend time with you. They want to share that lovey-dovey moments, sweet nothings with you. So basically, they want happiness with you. They want a new, brand new reconciliation, a brand new beginning with you, and they want happiness. This Sun card energy with you. Okay, what you want from this relationship now? The Strength card. You are holding back. So Taurus, what I feel is you also feel for this person. I don't think that the feeling is so intense that it was in the past, but yes, you also feel for this person, but you are holding back your emotions. You are acting very courageous, and you are gaining all the strength of the universe to come out of this situation, to come out of this negativity, toxicity, and you are gaining the strength to come out of this situation, and you are trying to come out of this situation, okay, and you are necessarily gaining this strength, and you are happy. I don't feel like you need anyone else, somebody else in your life right now. Maybe you are just working on yourself, you are focused on yourself, you are just happy walking away from this person, because ultimately you found happiness in yourself. Ultimately you found self love, and you are loving yourself right now. You are working on yourself right now, and the outcome from their side is the Three of Wands energies. They are waiting on you. They are waiting for you to come back and communicate with them. They are waiting for their ship to arrive. So they feel like they have done everything that was possible to bring you back to their life, but honestly I don't think they did. But yes, I feel like there will be communication till the by the end of this month, and they are waiting for this communication very very eagerly, and they are waiting for you to communicate with them, maybe face to face. So they are waiting for you. Basically they are going to wait for you till the end of Feb, I can say. And what you are going to do till the end of Feb, this is the Eight of Pentacles energy. So this is telling me that you are going to work on yourself only. I don't feel like you are giving energy to this person anymore, you are giving any shit about this person anymore. But what I feel is you are working on your pentacles, your business, your work, on yourself. You are basically acting like an empress. You are feeling so empowered within yourself, and you are going to feel like, okay, if this person is not happy, if this person is not responding well to me, if this person is doing this again and again and again, if he is breaking my heart, and again if he is or she is breaking my heart again and again and again, then I am going to say goodbye to them, and I am going to start a new life, and I am going to work on myself, no matter how hard it is for me. But I am going to do that, Taurus. You are very very strong. You are feeling very very independent and very very strong from within, and this is a very beautiful energy. I think you should carry on this energy throughout your life, okay. This is a very beautiful energy that is telling me that you are working on yourself. The day you decided to work on yourself, they feel the love. The day you started to walk away from them, they feel the energy that yes, they really need you. You are their happiness, you are their sunshine. That is what is happening, okay. The potential of growth for this particular relationship is a Page of Pentacles energy. There will be a new start, there will be a new opening of this chapter. What I can feel is the Page of Pentacles for me is the energy of a child, energy of a young person. So the universe is telling me that there's a potential for this particular relationship to grow in the future, but right now there's something very very uncertain. There is no certainty in this relationship right now, because what I feel is they want a reconciliation. They do love you, they want a new start, they want everything with you, but I don't think they are saying the three words to you, or they are giving you any kind of commitment right now. So basically there will be a new start, but there will be some kind of uncertainty related to this. That is up to you now, okay, if you are going to take it or not. I don't think you are going to take it, because you are very very certain about yourself now. You are working on yourself now, and the universe is also telling me that the guidance from the universe is the Nine of Pentacles energy. The universe is telling you, the universe is, I think, yelling at you, Taurus, and telling you that work on yourself, work on yourself, work on your pentacles, work on your self growth, self love, self healing, and lots of feeling, lots of love. Give yourself lots of love, give yourself lots of gifts, give yourself lots of what I can say, chocolates and whatever you like, okay. So work on yourself. The universe is telling me, I myself is a Taurus, so I feel like the universe is guiding me as well, and all the Tauruses out there. So work on yourself, on your pentacles, on your business, on your own beauty and whatnot. So self love is the mandatory thing right now. that should be there if you want to proceed further in life. I don't think you want this shit again in your life. I don't think you want this shitty stuff again in your life. This chapter is over. And I pulled a card from the Love Oracle deck as well, and this is telling me this is separation, sadness, missing you, thinking about you, yearning, unsure of the future. So this is your partner's energy. They are feeling this right now. They are feeling sad, they are missing you, they are thinking about you, they are yearning for you, unsure about the future. I am telling you, they are very unsure about the future. They do love you, this is a sure thing, but they are very, very, very uncertain about the future. So I don't think you are uncertain about the future, Taurus. You are basically very, very certain, very, very fixed that you want a committed relationship, you want a happy relationship with somebody. You don't want to play games anymore. You don't want to be in a relationship where third party is involved, or there's something that is involved, that is there's something that is making you feel like a third wheel or second wheel or whatever it is. So you want a committed relationship, you are very sure, and they are not. So this is the card for you guys. This is how your partner is feeling right now. Okay, so yes, so Taurus, this is the reading for you guys from 22nd of Feb till 28th of Feb. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you. So God bless you, and Taurus, kudos to you. Congratulations to you for being so strong and for being working on yourself only for this self-love. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. Thank you.